Alright, in this opportunities tab, we're going to have a look at two or three things that are happening over here in this tab. First off, in this company column, if I change the company name with the help of our data validation list, the contacts update accordingly. And for company C, I had no contacts associated, so it's showing to me empty. And for company A, the contacts update accordingly. But the thing that I'm actually proud of in this sheet is only the contacts associated with this company are being shown to me. For example, for company A, only Ahmed is associated with this company, so only he is being shown to me. And for company B, there are actually two contacts, Daud and John, that are being shown to me. If I change it to company A, only one person will be shown to me. For company C, there is no contact available, so no contact is being shown to me. And then if I change the stage over here to proposal sent, it will move to the follow-up tab. Like the last value on this name column is opportunity 2. In this follow-up tab, the last value is follow-up 7. If I hit update, the rows moved successfully and opportunity 2 is being shown to me over here.